Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies hat designs model. Crochet ladies hat design refers to creating stylish and functional hats for women using various crochet techniques. These hats are handmade using yarn and a crochet hook, and they come in many shapes, patterns and styles, perfect for fashion, warmth or both. Here are more helpful tips for creating beautiful and professional looking crochet ladies hat designs. First, choose the right yarn. Winter hats use warm yarns like acrylic wool or wool blends. Summer hats use lightweight cotton, bamboo or raffia yarn. Smooth yarns gives a neat finish, while textured yarns add depth. Measure properly. Measure the head circumference. Use a head sizing chart or crochet gauze to match the correct fit. Adjust your stitch count to make custom sizes, like teen, adult, or large. Use magic ring technique. For top-down hats, begin with a magic ring to avoid a hole in the center. It gives a clean and professional look to the crown of the hat. Shape a chart increases stitches evenly when working in the round top-down, decreases stitches if working from brim up. Maintain shaping to match the hat style, flat top, toe, slouchy, etc. Add embellishments, add crochet flowers, leaves, bows, or appliques. Use contrasting colors for a stylish, bold look. Add buttons, fox leather tags, or pom-poms for a boutique finish. Mix stitch patterns, alternate between different stitch patterns to create texture. Examples: combine shaping with silk stitch for a vintage look. Try post stitches for 3D texture or cables. Reinforced brims for sun hats or bucket hats. Add or plastic boning into the brim for structure. Use stiff cotton yarn or crochet tightly for fringed edge. Play with colors. Try ombre yarns, stripes, or color blocking. Use neutral tones for classic style and bright hues for fun or kids. Test your gauze. Always create a gauze swatch to ensure sizing accuracy. Adjust your hook size if your hat turns out too small or large. Block the hat if needed. Lightly steams or block the hat for a polished, smooth finish, especially helpful for lace or cotton hats, to shape them well. Add matching accessories. Design a matching scarf, cowl, or mittens to go with the hat. This creates a coordinated winter or fashion set, perfect for gifting or selling. Try overlay or mosaic crochet. These techniques allow bold geometric or artistic designs, great for standout hats with modern or tribal motifs. Use back loop or front loop techniques. Working in the back loop only creates ribbing or strays. Front loop only gives raised edge for visual texture. Add a visor or brim extension, turn a beanie into a cap-style hat by adding a short brim. Use tight stitches and add a plastic mesh or interfacing for structure. Custom stitch charts. Use graph paper or digital tools to escape your own color work or motif. Personalize hats with details, hearts, stars, or seasonal themes. Crochet with beads. Thread beads onto your yarn before starting and work them into stitches. Add a sparkle and elegance, especially for festive or evening wear. Use foxfur yarn for edged. Add a foxfur brim or pom-pom for a luxurious touch, great for winter elegance and cozy styles. Photograph and track your designs. Keep a photo record of your hats with notes on yarn discount and pattern tricks. Helps you recreate or adjust successful style later. Label your work. Add a small leather, wooden, fabric tag to your hat. Custom tags makes your hat looks branded and ready to sell. Ask for feedback. Share your designs with friends in online crochet groups or on social media. Feedback helps refine your style and inspires new ideas. Play with yarn techniques with try bulky or super bulky yarn for fast and cozy winter hats. Use fingering or spot weight yarn for delicate lightweight styles like lace threads. Create reversible designs. Use double layer or reversible stitch patterns like double crochet cells or interlocking stitches. Makes the hat versatile and gives it two looks in one. Use gradient or self-stripping yarn. These yarns change color on their own, giving your hat a beautiful ombre or rainbow effect with no extra effort. Great for both simple and textured stitches. Try different construction styles top down, starting at the crown and working down to the brim, bottom up, starting at the brim and decreasing to the top. Flat panel, crocheted in a rectangle or west, then sewn into a round. Create texture with pom-pom puff or bubble stitches. These add chunky 3D effect and are great for playful or vintage-inspired hats. They also give a snug and cozy feel. Add an inner lining. Line the inside of your hat with lace or soft fabric for extra warmth, great for kids' hats or cold climates. Make adjustable hats. Add a drawstring tie or elastic band inside the brim, ideal for gift giving, market sales, or growing children's. Think about use and occasion, casually daily wear. Stick to simple stitches and neutral colors. Special occasions, add lacework, shimmer yarns, or pearls. Outdoor sports, use stretchy, breathable, and snug-fitting patterns. Combine crochet with other materials. Crochet the crown and add a fabric or denim brim. Combine crochet with leather, lace, or metal ring for unique fashion-forward styles. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!